Welcome to Volza tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through how to join and access the Volza workshops. Let's get started. Let's understand the workshops first. Workshops are live webinars conducted by our experts, where you can learn how to use different functionalities of Volza effectively. To access workshops, go to the Volza homepage. From the left panel, click on the Workshops option here. Here you need to click on Upcoming Workshops to watch the live webinar. Now you need to simply click on the Join button. Our live workshops are usually held on Wednesdays from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now, in case you miss a live session, don't worry. Click on Recorded Workshops and you'll get a list of all past webinars available to watch anytime. Now, if you have a topic that you'd like us to cover in the future, you can easily suggest it to us. Simply click on Suggest a Topic here. And then, enter the title and a short description and click on Add option. We'll review your suggestion and try to include it in our upcoming workshops. Now, if you want your teammates to join too, you can easily share the workshop invitation with them. Just click on Copy Invitation and share it with your colleagues so they can join the webinar. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helped you understand the workshop section better. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.